diameter looks good at 50 inches.
Perfect grain structure, let's take it.
All right, marked for the mill.
Maintaining the precise moisture content is essential for the structural integrity of the plywood.
Exiting the multi-stage dryer, the veneer sheets are rapidly cooled and stacked, ready to be pressed into high-quality plywood. The cooling conveyor stabilizes the dried veneer sheets. This crucial step prepares the wood for the final pressing into high-quality plywood.
Here at the inspection table, the freshly cut veneer is checked for any imperfections like cracks or uneven thickness.
From massive logs to the finished product, the process is highly automated. Even rejected veneer is recycled, ensuring zero waste.
Inside this massive facility, logs are rapidly transformed. They are peeled into thin veneers, sorted for quality.
A uniform layer of strong, weather-resistant glue is applied smoothly to the surface.
The unpressed veneer stack is slowly fed into the massive hydraulic hot press, where immense pressure and heat will bind the layers together. After the pressing stage, the fresh plywood sheets are carefully stacked onto these metal cooling racks.
The logs are peeled into thin, consistent veneers. We then layer them with adhesive and subject them to massive pressure.
Each sheet is carefully measured to guarantee uniformity before it moves to the next stage.
From massive logs, a thin veneer is peeled, layered, and finally trimmed by powerful industrial saws, creating the finished plywood.
Inside the largest wood sawmill factory, we see how plywood is made, from the logs to the final product.
From massive logs on the conveyor, the wood is peeled into thin veneer sheets, then layered and bonded in the hot press, creating the strong plywood.
After the veneers are pressed, the sheets are meticulously sanded to ensure a smooth finish before the final inspection. After the logs are peeled into thin veneer sheets, they are dried, layered, and fused together in the hot press.
Keep that edge straight, we're almost around the corner.
Looks good. Make sure the heat seal is secure at the top.
Once the pallets are stacked, they are moved to shipping and secured with industrial straps for transport.
After the veneer is dried and layered, it moves to the hot press. Under intense heat and pressure, the layers are bonded.
Inside this massive facility, logs are rapidly transformed. High-speed lathes peel the wood into thin.
Inside the factory, logs are transformed. After debarking, they are peeled into thin veneers, and after the sheets are cut and finalized, they are brought to this massive warehouse for organization before being shipped out.